I don't have makeup on, I look like that little old lady that nobody notices, and she just waddles along and everything's fine. It's great. You just blend in and hi everybody, this is Sven. Today I'm going to do the no effort clip tutorial for your hair. My hair is straight, curly, and very frizzy. Most of the time I either cut my own hair or cross my fingers, go in at one of those walk-in places where you don't have to make an appointment or anything. So I have crappy hair to begin with, but we all have our issues with hair. People with curly hair want straight hair, and people with straight hair want curly hair, and that's just the way the world is. Everybody wants what everybody else has, and not what they have. Just enjoy their uniqueness in themselves. I was the same way with my hair. I would get frustrated and very picky with it until years ago I had put out on Facebook, I said, why is it that when you're cleaning the house and you put your hair up and you walk by the mirror, your hair looks great, but when you're going out and you want your hair to look nice, like it did when you were cleaning the house, it doesn't. A gentleman answered me and said, because you're trying too hard. He says, you're trying to make your hair look too perfect. And it looks like it, which is why it doesn't look good. Because even trees and grass and nature, which is beautiful, flowers, they're not perfect. What makes them beautiful is that they're each unique. The tree is beautiful, the branches, because they intertwine all naturally. You can take a tree and weave the branches over time and make a sculpture out of a tree, but we're talking your hair and your head. I was just ranting about my hair not looking nice, and I got this like deep philosophical answer, which was really cool. It made sense to me. It just stuck in my head, because perfect things are nice, but unique things that are beautiful, I think, are better than perfect things. If you look at the concept, it is a recipe for life. Do what comes natural, and everything will look better around you. Actually, I was watching YouTube last night on how to cut a shag haircut. I've been telling my girlfriend that that's what she needs, because she's working from home, and she's like, well, I didn't do anything to my hair today. And I said, well, I don't either. And she says, well, yeah, but your hair looks really nice. I washed it and dried it. And she's like, well, what? Long story short, well, it's not going to be short. It's already long. She goes, oh, well, can you show me what it looks like when you take it down? I said, sure. And I thought, well, if she's asking, and it's really simple, I might as well show you guys. Over the years, whenever I stick a clip in my hair, it just sticks. That, or you don't like the way it looks because it's too perfect. So I stopped looking in the mirror when I was doing my hair. And I found out that when I would turn around, my hair, I actually liked the way it looked. Where if I looked at my hair and tried to do it, it looked worse. Because you're automatically going to adjust to what you think it should look like. I washed my hair this morning. Three little feet. You don't see them in my hair right now because I put the white ones that I have in the front and the darker ones in the back. I get out of the shower and I don't comb my hair. Put a towel on my head, dry it. I just grab a section of my hair here, put it up, and so I have one clip here, one clip here. Sometimes I'll do it up closer to the front, one here. I have just haphazard. The curly girl method, other than the products that I use, is pretty kind of close. Sometimes I'll use gel if I really want curly hair. While it's wet, I just take a pea size and mush it together and, you know, run it through my hair and then put it up and let it air dry. This method, I can just wash it, clip it. It looks decent when it's drying. And go to the store with wet hair or go wherever. Then once it's dry, I can leave it like this. And all I do is go in and take the clips out. So that's me with the clips out. And From there, you can see the curl, and you can see the volume. That's my hair. That's my hair tutorial. It's called the No Effort Clip Tutorial. That's what I'm going to call this video. The No Effort Clip Tutorial. Hope you got something out of it. Pretty nice right now. I mean, technically I could have a little black dress on and shoes and go out. And I think I would be very acceptable looking at a restaurant. So, yeah. So, I thought I would share. Talk to you later. Bye.